you'll need is a bowl, I guess 1 or 2 spoons or a fork or whatever you need to use, some toothpaste, obviously, and sugar. So the first thing you're going to do is add your toothpaste. You need to add as much toothpaste as you want. The more toothpaste you add, the bigger the slime it would be. Come on, just get out. The slime toothpaste decides not to get out. Come on, just go. It's the dumbest toothpaste. Might need some help, someone? I'm trying to add like all of this toothpaste. Do you think this is all the toothpaste there is? Because I cannot get that out. Yeah, there we go. Let's get it all out of there. Oh, it's beautiful! Isn't that beautiful, guys? Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I think that's all. So I'm going to grab my spoon. Not fill it all the way up. I'm just going to fill it a little bit. Oh, let's get ready. Pinch.
Give me more.
Oh, this is actually already beautiful. Let's add, I'm not going to stir with this spoon. You actually probably do need 2 spoons. It's one to stir with. Come on! There we go. Gotta stir for a very long time, guys. It smells good. It smells so good. This is kind of an edible slime. You can only like chew it, but you can't eat it because it's not edible. Toothpaste. But the sugar is definitely edible. It's probably going to be delicious because I mean it's toothpaste and sugar. Both things I'm such a fan of. This is a very shiny white slime. Maybe you can even add food coloring, I'm not sure. So, you should set this in the freezer for about 2 hours. Come on, get out. 2 hours. So there we go. Show you how it turned out, just to make sure you guys think it's horrible. So I'm just gonna set this in the freezer for 2 hours. And I don't know how to edit to make it look cool. So you guys, this is the real. Some people edit. Oh, what do I put? Some people edit these videos to make it look like they're actually good slime, but it's truly not. Okay, how am I going to fit this? You know what? Some of these things need to scoot over. Oh no. Oh. Dad just thought that was easy. See you guys in 2 hours.